Ever wished your hair could be as silky, smooth, and shiny as those in hair commercials? What if I told you that you can achieve it much faster than you think, scientifically? In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can get incredibly smooth hair ASAP, backed by science. No fluff, no unrealistic claims, just real effective tips that actually work. Let's get started. Number 1, understanding hair structure. Before we get into the how, let's quickly understand the why. Hair has 3 layers: the medulla, cortex, and the outermost layer, the cuticle. The cuticle is made of tiny overlapping scales, kind of like roof shingles. When these scales lay flat, hair appears smooth, shiny, and silky. But when they're lifted or damaged, hair becomes rough, frizzy, and dull. So, our goal? Keep the cuticle sealed and smooth. Now let's get into the game-changing tips. Number 2, wash your hair the right way. Shampooing isn't just about cleansing, it's about maintaining hair health. Here's what you need to do for ultra silky strands. 1. Use a sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfates strip away natural oils, making hair dry and rough. Opt for a gentle formula with amino acids, hyaluronic acid, or keratin to retain moisture. Some great options are Olaplex No. 4, Bond Maintenance Shampoo, Red Kenol Soft Shampoo, and Moroccan Moisture Repair Shampoo. 2. Wash with lukewarm or cool water. Hot water lifts the cuticle, making hair prone to frizz. Rinsing with cool water seals the cuticle for instant shine. 3. Massage your scalp, but don't over-shampoo. The scalp produces natural oils that condition the hair. Overwashing can strip these away, so shampoo only 2 to 3 times a week unless necessary. Number 3, conditioning and masks. The secret to silky hair. Conditioning is non-negotiable. A good conditioner replenishes moisture and smooths down the cuticle. 1. Always use conditioner after shampooing. Look for ingredients like silk proteins, keratin, argan oil, or shea butter. Best picks? Try Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, Deep Conditioning Mask, Kerastase Nutritive Mask Intense, or Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Conditioner. 2. Use a hair mask at least once a week. A deep conditioning mask penetrates deeper than regular conditioners, repairing damage and boosting silkiness. For intense hydration, try the Moroccan Intense Hydrating Mask or Olaplex No. 8 Bond. Intense Moisture Mask. 3. Rinse with cool water. Again, this helps seal the cuticle and enhance shine. Number 4, the importance of pH balance. Here's something most people don't know. Your hair's pH matters. The ideal pH for hair is between 4.5 and 5.5. Alkaline products raise the hair's pH, causing the cuticle to open and leading to frizz and damage. To prevent this, rinse your hair with cold water. Cold water seals the cuticle, making hair shinier. Use an apple cider vinegar rinse, diluted with water, to restore pH balance. This keeps the cuticle layer flat and smooth. Number 5, protect your hair from damage. Silky hair isn't just about what you put in, it's also about what you keep out. Here's how to prevent damage. 1. Limit heat styling. Frequent use of flat irons and curling wands weakens the hair cuticle. If you must style, use a heat protectant spray like the GHD Bodyguard Heat Protect Spray or the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Spray. 2. Avoid harsh brushing. Tugging at wet hair causes breakage. Instead, use a wide-tooth comb or a detangling brush like the wet brush. 3. Sleep on silk or satin pillowcases. Cotton absorbs moisture, but silk reduces friction, preventing frizz and split ends. Number 6, oils and serums add an extra layer of smoothness and protection. 1. Argan oil, known as liquid gold. Argan oil seals moisture and adds instant shine. Try Moroccan oil treatment or OGX, Argan Oil of Morocco. 2. Coconut oil strengthens the hair shaft and prevents protein loss. Apply a small amount before washing for deep conditioning. 3. Silicone-based serums. These create a smooth, silky finish. Try BioSilk Silk Therapy Original or Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Number 7. DIY smoothing masks. Fast results. If you need a quick fix for silky hair, try this DIY mask. 1 tablespoon coconut oil penetrates deep into hair fibers. 1 tablespoon honey, a humectant that locks in moisture. 1 tablespoon yogurt, rich in proteins and lactic acid for smoothness. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Your hair will feel instantly softer and shinier. Number 8, diet and lifestyle for healthy hair. Silky hair isn't just about external care. What you eat matters too. 1. Increase protein intake. Hair is made of keratin, a type of protein. Eat eggs, fish, nuts, and beans for stronger, shinier strands. 2. Stay hydrated. Water is crucial for hair moisture. Drink at least 8 glasses a day. 3. Take hair-friendly supplements. Biotin, collagen, and omega-3 fatty acids promote smooth, healthy hair. Number 9. Instant hacks for immediate silkiness. Need silky, smooth hair. ASAP, try these quick hacks. 1. Use a leave-in conditioner or hair gloss. These coat the hair and provide instant softness. Try It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner or Kristen S. Weightless Shine Leave-In Conditioner. 2. Cold Air Blast. After styling, finish with a cool air blast from your blow dryer to lock and shine. 3. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water, rinse through your hair, and watch the shine boost. So, there you have it, science-backed ways to get silky, smooth hair ASAP. The best part? These aren't just temporary fixes. These tips will keep your hair looking stunning in the long run. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more beauty and science-backed tips. See you in the next one.